here. I'm happy that this activity is organized in our institution, Father Agnel Multipurpose High Secondary School, and the initiative that is taken by our Konkani professor, Sir Simon, and encouraging the students, especially when we see the natural things that are present over here. The children are getting to know the natural vegetables that are present in our environment. We are mainly eating the things that are given to us by in the hotels or the restaurants, but this is a pure form of vegetable which students are getting to know. It's not only we are making them aware, we also want the students to tell others that this kind of vegetables are available, which which is good for our hygiene and which can make our health better. And I thank the institute, thank the students for making efforts to go to find a vegetable, to make a study of it, to get themselves involved in preparing it, and then sharing with all of us. And we have seen the taste that it has. We have seen how much enriching the vegetables are, and I hope the students will continue this, not only this particular year and not only with these vegetables that they have found, but to do some more research, to look out for some more vegetables that are there present in the environment, which are freely available to us, and to make best use of this and to promote it so that the health of themselves and the health of everyone is nourished. Thank you, thank you. I thank the sir, the principal for taking this initiative to make the children, the students aware of these things. Thank you.
I'm Father Agnel Holmes. I'm Director of Agnel Technical Education Complex here in Verna. And today, because we have many institutions here in Verna and in this campus, and one of our institutions is the high secondary. And today the high secondary students, supported by their Konkani lecturer Simon, have organized this beautiful event. Basically, they have prepared food of Goan vegetables, and these vegetables are very unique. They are found only in the time of monsoon time, and they are like wild leaves, which I think I grew up eating. Today's generation may not eat those, but you do see them out in the wild, and they grow only in this season of monsoon. A very short period. In a very short span of time they grow, and people pluck them and they prepare various types of vegetables and taro and chivachi, whatever they call them. So it's a nice thing that Simon has gotten children to get involved in, and I think it's a good thing because they are not poisonous leaves. They are very rich in actually minerals. One of the girls was telling me it has a lot of Ayurvedic value, and I think something like this has to be promoted, because I'm sure every person in their backyard have this particular vegetable that's growing, especially in this monsoon season. So thanks to the media for being here and covering our event, and I hope other people also get a taste of this as they can prepare. I'm sure there will be recipes online that you can check it out. Thank you.
One of the biggest problems is that these vegetables are disappearing, the plants themselves. So you all have done a thing of cooking the thing and showing people that this is the items that could be made. Are you all also considering maybe growing these vegetables and as a preservation technique?
I'm not sure whether they are considering, but I think it would be a good idea. Growing awareness, I think, also is what is happening right now. That we have these vegetables, and growing up, I did try some of them. My mother used to prepare. Mom was a very good cook, so I did try some of them. But I think in more remote areas, people use it more. Like if you go to Kanakwana, if you go to like Sangye, those areas. Here now we have become more urbanized. When I grew up in Navali. It was very village. So we used to see this, but I don't know whether these students can see that there are all buildings. So that awareness would be of please help. But I think we can do that. Maybe we can, with the net, we can do photographs of this and send out. Maybe we can create recipes. See, we have a catering college here as well. So maybe that's where we can try and we can promote some of that. So as long as that's certified by the FDA, making sure those plants are safe, it should not be that they end up become poisonous, something like that. Yeah, thank you.
Elisha D'Souza, आज सर सायमन आणि कोंकणी विभागाच्या भुरग्यांनी ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडल्या. हाका लागून आमकां खूब फायदो जाला. हाका लागून आमकां खूब कितें शिकपाक मेळ्ळें. ह्यो पावसान जावपी वेगवेगळ्यो भाजयो ज्यो आमकां खबर नाशिल्ल्यो त्यो आमकां आज हांगा दिसती पडटात. हाका लागून आमच्या गिन्यानान आनी भर पडटा. तश्योच ह्यो भाजयो लोक आपआपल्या घरांनी कशे रांदतात ते लेगीत आयज आमकां हांगा दिसती पडले. ह्यो भाजयो आमच्या भलायकेक लेगीत बऱ्यो, कारण हातून कसली रसायनां मिसाल आसना. ह्या भाजया वांगडा दुसऱ्यो पावसान जावपी वखदी झाडां आसात आनी हो उत्सव घडोवन हाडपाक आमी सर सायमनाचे खूब खूब आभारी. देव बरें करूं.
आणि हांवें पिड्डुकीची भाजी केला. ताका कुड्डुकीची भाजी म्हणटात. ती पावसाच्या दिसांनी जाता चडशी आनी ती कांदो घालून लसूण दाळय घालून ते आख्खे फोण्ण मारून तितून मागीर भात घायला, मूंग दाळ सोकून दवरून ती घायला आनी मागीर ती भाजी पान घायला आनी प्रिपेर केला. ती चडशी कोडे आसता मागीर तितून साखर घायला एक
हे भाजयेचे खूब गूण आसात. ती फायबरान खूब रीच आसता आनी पोट साफ करपाक ही खूब बरी. आनी पावसान आमकां जायतीं दुयेंसां जातात, सो ही भाजी आयल्यार चड दुयेंस जावपाक पावनाय. आनी ही सोय, कांदो, गार्लीक ही घालून जाता. तेऱ्या भाजी करपाक सोय, कांदो, मिठा सोला आनी सुकी मिरसांग आनी पयलीं मोण मारतात आनी मागीर पान घालून शिजयतात. आनी सपोज तुका आनी टेस्ट हाडपाक जाय जाल्यार पणसां पिकलेली आसतात बारकेले पीस करून. आनी तेऱ्या भाजी म्हळ्यार अशें करून घाल जाल्यार पोट साफ जाता. आनी तुगे पोटान गॅस बीन गेलो जाल्यार तेऱ्या भाजी काडटा गॅस काडटा. आनी आतां अशें करून तेऱ्या पान काडपाक वयता आदी वर्सां खातात, सो तेदो ती वर्सां खावपा नाका म्हूण शिजयता ती भेंडा सॉस घाल. भेंडा सॉस घाल जाल्यार ती वर्सां
My name is Kaden Demelo. Today,
Father Agner Multipurpose Higher Secondary Verna has organized an exhibition laying down the different type of vegetables that grow during the monsoon season. By using the season aptly, students have collected different types of vegetables that grow in the wild. We have a variety of vegetables such as gurkanchi bhaji, aku, and a lot more. With this exhibition will help the students and teachers to be more acquainted with the different types of local greens that are found in the locality and also to incorporate them into their daily life. Thank you very much.
आरोग्या खातीर वापरताली ही भाजी खाल्ल्यार पायसाच्या पेशंटां आरोग्याक बरें जाता अशें म्हणटात. पयलींच्या लोकां खातीर ही वखद आसली.
Ready? Okay. What's it?
This is without masala and this is with masala.
So, yeah. But explain both. Yes.
I'm Hussein Mendes, student from आमकडे किल्लाची भाजी आहे एक विदाउट मसाला आणि एक विथ मसाला. सो दोन्ही भाजयेचो प्रोसिजर सेम आसता. राती कडेन ही भाजी कातून उदकांत घालून त्या ती कोडू आसता. मागीर सकाळीं ती बॉयल करताय मागीर स्क्वीज करताय सो दॅट तो रोस भाजी जाता. देन यू सदांचे भाशेन गरम मसाला घालून आमी भाजी कोताची सोय बारको इट इज अ सेम. पण हितून आपण सोय आहा बट हितून सगळे मसाला. सो थँक्यू.
खंयची बरी लागता खावपाक?
ती एक्चुली हांवें ती भाजी पयली पाट केला पण या सो आमी पयली पाट केल्यार आमकां सांगपाक मेळना टेस्ट बरें लागला. सो तुमी टेस्ट करता.
Sprouted cashew nut. So ही भाजी cashew nut आसाय न्हू ते झाडां sprouted cashew nuts and पानां पोंदा आनी ते cashew nut. So तेच केलें. सो ती आमी आतां रानाचो हाडल्या केपें. हां म्हाका बरें लागली. जी आनी ताजें नांव सांगात बरें.
सो ही तारकिऱ्या भाजी ही आमकां शेता सायडीन मेळटा आनी ती करपाक सर्टन वे आसता. लायक ती आखी ती पान घेतली जाल्यार ती ड्राय केली जाल्यार ती आखी फोडेर घालता. बट ते उक्को पार्ट घेतले जाल्यार लायक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आतां हांवें केली ती ते फकत वयलो टॉप प्लांट आसा जो लागता सागडेलो आसा तो टेस्ट करपाक पडटा. सो हांवें टेस्ट केल्या सो ती बरी लागता.
तुम्ही हाताय ती तू हाताय
तुम्ही आता एका लावून केलं काय घरावर कोण होतं?
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.